Welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to share another website for promote your CPA offer. So at first, when you will come to this website slideshare.net, you will get a sign up and login button at here. I have already signed up, so I can't able to show you that. Okay, the sign up process is simple, easy. You can continue with Google and you can also sign up by email. Okay, so if I go on this website insights on similar web, you can see the website is mostly famous on India and the global rank is 749. Okay, this is actually the matter, and the top ranked site is countries. Top ranked countries is India, Mexico, Philippines, Peru and Colombia. But United States people are also available at here, but they are not ranked in top 5 countries. So when you will come to this website, you have to go on your CPA network and you have to collect this type of CPA offer link. On slideshare.net, we can only share PDFs. As example, if I visit this at here, this post, you can see there is a download now button. Okay, so you can understand this website is only for PDF promoting reasons. So we will only share PDFs. So at first we have to collect this type of offers. I have grabbed a offer, the $750 PayPal gift card, and here is 3 links. 3 links is for 3 devices: iOS, Android and desktop, and this website offer is only promoted on USA. Okay, so after making a list, you have to go on googlesite.com and you have to make a landing page like this. You can see this is not made by me, the another people landing page is this. He is also promoting this offer. So after making the list, you have to make it landing page like this. You can understand this website is made by Google site, the link is same and the title is here, the heading, the image and simple text is here, and here is also a link at here, CPA link. Okay, so you have to make a landing page link like this, or you can also make another good looking landing page by your idea. So after making the landing page, you have to go on Google Docs and you have to click on blank document. If you don't know how to Google Docs, you can search on here Google Docs. Okay, here is Google Docs and you will find this page. You can also find Google Docs on the window right here. You have to go on this Google Apps. Now you have to go on find Docs. Here is Docs, Google Docs. You will redirect to the same page. Okay, so we are on our Google Docs page. Now we have to add an image. For image, you have to click on this insert image and click on upload from computer, search from web and many other options. By URL is also available, so I will upload from my computer. Now this PC will open. My computer has been opened and I have recently downloaded the image. This is the image. Okay, this is the image actually. Now we have to write something at here. Okay, now I will have to go on Bitly or Cutly. Nowadays Bitly gets some problems, so I don't use Bitly, but Cutly is another option, alternative of Bitly. And now I will sort these 3 links one by one. Okay, first I have chosen this iOS offer link. Control C. I will paste the link at here and cut the spaces. Now shorten. Okay, the link has been already shortened by me because I was promoting this offer, but I showed you on another videos that I am sorry, this is not the link. Okay, limit reached. Okay, so this is the problem. My free links are over, so I will use tiny links, URL shortener. This is also a alternative of Bitly and Cutly. Okay, I will paste the link at here. Sorry, I have to copy the link again. Copy and paste the link at here. Okay, we can choose and customize our link at here. So this is only for the premium memberships, so we only have tiny URL, and we can add something at here like PayPal gift card. Okay, now make tiny URL. Okay, this alias is not available. What mean by alias? Alias means the extra links. Okay, I will cut this and make a, so you can see I have successfully shorted my links, and now I will use this link on this option. I have give this image from this option, image insert option, and now I will write some text at here. Okay, now you can also use font, and here is the text option, text style. I will use title or heading. Okay, that's enough. Now I will write, click the link for download. Sorry, this is not our download offer, our gift card offer. Get a free chance to win. Okay, now our text has become very poor. Okay, CHAN. That's enough. Now I will make this to color. A color, Control A. Sorry, we have to block this only this text, and here we have some bold option, and on the color option I will click. This is okay. Okay, now we will add another at here, link, and the color size is blue, and the text is bold, and I will increase the size. Okay, this enough. Now I will block this, and here is some option for link, insert links. Now I will paste this landing page link, and we have to use this URLs at the landing page. We have to use these URLs on landing page, then we will copy the landing page, because if I promote short links, SlideShare maybe block our PDF. Control V, apply. Okay, that's done. Now click on this file option, and now click on download, and click download PDF document. Okay, you can see our PDF document has been done. Now I will go at here. Now click on upload section. After sign upping on this platform, and if you already have an account, you can sign in, Now I will drag and drop this file at here. Okay, now verify that you are human. We have to fill up the captcha. They are providing a captcha now, then we have to fill up it. Okay, verifying. Now we have to give the title, get a free chance to win $750 PayPal gift card. Okay, I will give the same text on description. Sorry, Control Z, Control C, Control V. Now here is some option for tags. So for this we have to go on slide share again. Okay, on slide share we will search for, if I think they will give us solution. Oh, they are not giving solutions, so we have to use our own solution like gift card. Oh, they are giving solution at here. Sorry, I have recently forgotten that. GIFTCARD, and give a comma after it, or enter, press enter. Gift card, PayPal gift card, $750 PayPal gift card. Okay, I have give this 4. Okay, now click on this privacy to public and discover a score. Okay, this is not important for us, and this how our PDF will look like. Okay, now click on publish. Okay, we have forgotten to give a category, so we can choose lifestyle and click on publish. That's enough, and this is our PDF URL, and this is our iframe for promote this post on our website. So if I visit the link, we can see here is our post is looking like, and if someone click on control okay, if someone download on this download option, click on this download now option or this option, they will able to download the PDF, and then they will click on the link. Okay, that was the video. Hope you have liked the video, and if you like the video, then subscribe to our channel for more latest videos. We only make videos related to CPA marketing and affiliate marketing and digital marketing. So our channel is only for marketing reasons. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you.